my channel. I am back to share with you guys some of the Valentine embellishments that I have created. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, that link will be down below if you are not following me. But I have posted the majority of these on there already. I'm just getting a late start to actually sharing with you guys what I created. So first are these treat bags, and these were inspired by the treat bags that I saw this year at Target. And I was like, oh, I can totally make those myself. The size is comparable to it. I think these are a little bit smaller, but these are made out of the terry cloth towels, the kitchen towels from Dollar Tree. So I was able to get 3 of these treat bags out of one towel. So these are the 2 patterns that they had, and I just love, love, love these patterns. So terry cloth is kind of hard to work with because it frays and sheds a lot. And I know that many people were asking me for a tutorial on this. I've actually never done a sewing tutorial on my channel before, so I am in the works of getting that tutorial hopefully made sometime this week for you guys. So please stay tuned if you follow me on Instagram and wanted to see how I created these. So you can fit quite a bit of goodies in here to gift, and that's what I plan to do with these. So I just used some various different like thin ribbons that I had to use as a drawstring. So I think they came out super, super cute. So those are the drawstring pouches. Then I also used my bow bag topper from Alina Crafts, and I created just some sequin mixes, and I thought this was a good way to gift these. The other ones that I created that I showed on Instagram, they're already gone. I've already gifted them. So these are the 2 I have left that I'm about to gift really soon. So I did finish the front and the back just like I did for my Christmas ones, and I think they are so super, super cute. And you can put whatever you would like in these. So these are the 2 bow bag toppers that I created with the sequin mixes. I also created these corsets. I went a little nuts and created a whole bunch of them. I still have to, I think I'm gonna put them or put some foam adhesive on the back so that whoever receives these, they can just pop them on any project. And I'm going to show you a project that I created using one of these. But the dye that I used for that is this Cottage Cuts dye. And I got this a while ago, but I haven't played with it yet. So I remember when I picked it up, I was so excited to get this. So it does come out with several pieces, and it is a little time consuming, but stuff like this, I normally die cut everything and then start piecing them together. So that goes a little bit more quickly, and then it's like a lot of times it's very like kind of therapeutic for me. So I don't mind doing it. So I just took some various different Valentine's paper that I had, cut a whole bunch of them out, and then use either glitter or solid, either foil or like satin, what is it, cardstock, I'm sorry, to cut out the little, you know, where you cinch it together on a corset, and then the top and the bottom trim. And then I also took these tiny little hearts. I had these cut out from something else that I was doing, and I had all these left over. So I just thought to make them a little bit more Valentine's-y, I just put them on just like the right corner, And some of them have 3, some of them have just 1. It just depended on what I felt like doing with them at the time. So here is a look at a couple of them. I think they are so super cute. And of course, my favorite ones are the ones using that satin type of cardstock that I cannot get over. I want to use them on all the things. So here's a couple of them using some glitter cardstock. Here is some foiled cardstock in the red. And then this is like, it's sort of like foiled. This was from the Target pack of 6x6 papers from this year. So I created a whole bunch of those corsets. And lastly, I want to share with you guys a loaded envelope type project. So this is what it looks like. So as you can see, it's in the shape of an envelope. I did create this using my envelope punch board, and it is gusseted on the sides so that I can fit as much as I can inside. I'm not done filling this up yet, so this is just the beginning parts of it, but I just wanted to share it with you guys. So this one is made with some authentic paper. I don't know which line it is, but I think it's the one I got from the expo. And I believe this envelope is made to fit a 5x5 card. So it's like about 5 1/4 inches. So yeah, so for the envelope punch board, I did it for a 5x5 card and got this. So I used black cardstock as the base, and then I actually had to create my own templates so that I could mat each one of these separately. And on the front here, I used one of my dies with some glitter cardstock and cut that out. I love this heart. And here's where I used that corset, and I love the way that it came out. So I popped that up right here. And here is another die cut heart that I had, and pop that up as well. This is a Sizzix. It's one of the long strip dies from, it has all the Valentine's words. I don't know what it is, I'm sorry. I actually cut it out of some black cardstock several times, layered it, and then I used my Martha Stewart black glitter to glitter that up. For some reason with that die, if you have any sort of thick cardstock or paper you're trying to cut through, it does not do a very good job. So I don't know if it's my machine or what, but I was having quite a bit of trouble with that. And then here is a foiled like doily, and this is a Cottage Cuts die as well. So I love how clean and simple the front is. And then inside I have several picks from Target that I put in here. This is the other one. I think I got this year. It says XOXO. I don't know if you guys can see that. I have one of these Target chalkboard tags, which went really well with the whole color scheme. I had to include one of the Whack-A-Packs, which I've been loving giving this year. And then I have some items with some, that I created some treat toppers for, and I believe these are this is the Avery L treat topper die, and here is some of the corsets that I'm gifting. And then these are some heart picks. And I have a ton of these. So I've been loving giving like tons of these to people. And I have them upside down because if I put it up here, you can't see them. And here are some of these heart die cuts that I just cut them out of various pattern paper, and there's 4 different designs, and I just included them so that the recipient can use them on any project. And this topper is the Jaded Blossom bag topper, which my twinsy Christine, hi Christine, she gifted me for my birthday. So I used it finally, and it is super cute. There's this big area that I think I'm going to add something else on here, like some sort of sentiment. But that's what the bag looks like. And here is the pocket. So it looks like an envelope. And this is actually another one of those Sizzix, I don't know what they're called. Sizzlets, maybe? It's the one with the foam, but it's the one that it's really long. And this is the other Valentine's one that I have in my stash. So I cut that out of black cardstock and glittered it up just like I did with this Hugs and Kisses. And then there's these little holes that cut out, and instead of leaving them open, I just put some pearls right where the holes were. So I thought it was just a really decorative touch. And before I laid down any of these pattern papers, I did go ahead and ink the edges. Just because you guys know I do not like to see the white core of the paper when I cut it. So that's the front. And then here is the back. And because I was using a 6x6 paper pad, of course, this is longer than 6x6. So I just, this I believe is 6x6, or I'm sorry, this is 6 inches. And then I put this felt heart border that I had to kind of connect the 2 different pieces. And then that's just my handmade stamp. So that is my envelope loaded pocket. I think that's what you guys would call it. So I hope you guys like what I created. Let me know what you guys think. And I know several people have requested some more tutorials of some of the items that I've shown pictures of on Instagram. I will try my best to get them done this week, but like I said, because of my moving, it's just been really hectic, and my back's hurting, and I'm just kind of stressed and just so tired. So I will try my best and get those up. You might see a little bit of a lag from my videos, probably in about a week, because I need to settle into my new place and I do not know how to decorate, so that's going to be a problem. Hopefully some of my friends can come over and help me. But enough rambling. I am really excited to finally get a craft space, and I'm very blessed that I will be able to get one. So thank you guys so much for stopping by, and hopefully I've inspired you to create some more Valentine's projects. And I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, everyone.